In this video, we are going to show how a volunteer can download a report of their service hours. You can print this report for your records or to provide it as proof of your volunteerism. Begin by logging into your service volunteer profile. This is typically done on the event listing page that's posted on the website of the organization with whom you volunteer. Click Sign In to manage your profile and enter your email address and password. If you don't have a password or do not remember it, click the Don't Know Password, Reset Password link. Next, select the option to view or print volunteer activity history near the bottom of the page. If your account is linked with any family members, you must select the name of the person whom you would like to report on and click View Activity for selected volunteer. From this screen, you can change the date range to view events within a particular time frame. Then, you can select all of your activity history within that date range by clicking on the checkbox in the heading. Or, you can select individual opportunities by using the checkboxes next to each event. Next, click Print Summary at the bottom of the page. This will show the hours served for each event and provide a total at the bottom. If there are any upcoming events included in the report for which you have registered that have not yet occurred, they will be listed as scheduled, and the service hours will not be included in the total. On the very bottom of the page, there is a link and a code that can be used to verify that the information provided on the form is correct and hasn't been fabricated. The person to whom you give the printout can go to the link provided and enter the code in the field on the website. They will then see the volunteer name, the date the report was pulled, and the number of hours served.